Alright, now it's time to have some fun. We are going to paint onto this canvas that we made this background for. And I'm going to start with some red, and I'm going to be using a palette knife today. Fun, 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 fun. We're going to put some red on here. I'm going to get it all over. Okay, that's good. Clean that off. And while I'm doing this, I do want to take a moment and thank all of my subscribers. I thank you all so much for being here. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. I do all kinds of different things: vlogging, art, crafts, dance. It's a eclectic place, and I am looking forward to growing more with everyone. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here. I truly appreciate all of you. Alright, we're ready for our next color. And let's do some orange. This is going to be a really fun painting. I haven't done a palette knife painting in a while. That looks good. Okay, and I'm going to put some light mocha on this. Looking pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of yellow in there. Get a little bit more yellow. Oh yeah, that looks good. I like it. Alright, put a little bit there in the center. Get in there. Looking good. This is just going to be a really fun painting. Just having some fun with it. And I'm going to use some brown. Alright, I'm going to break out some of my gouache paint and use some burnt sienna on here. This is a little thicker. to replace that. I'm gonna also add some burnt umber. Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way maybe so I can do this part. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.